All Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome, check it out. We're exiting I-40. I snuck out this morning. We left Lake Havasu a few hours ago. Stopped at Flagstaff, got supplies. Yay. Where are we going? I ain't telling. I'm actually gonna go see family out in Oklahoma. We're gonna take a little bit of a different route. I can't film the entire thing. I have to fast track it somewhat, but we got about 4 videos coming up here, I believe. Hopefully, if the weather holds and the weather doesn't look good long range. Might hit some ugly stuff, but we're gonna cut down through here. We're gonna take 180, US 180. We're gonna head through New Mexico. Once we get in New Mexico, we're gonna drop south a little bit and cut up through Texas and straight into Oklahoma. Now, doesn't that sound like a plan? We'll see about that. Alright, here's Holbrook, old town. This place is ancient. This is actually a little section of US 66 here as well. Route 66. Up here on the right, look at the TP shape. That's a wigwam motel. Very, very historic. Right there it is. They got the old cars parked out there. People book and drive, they book rooms here, or the teepees, when they drive the Route 66. It's iconic. There's a million pictures online about them things. Alright, but we're not here to see that. We're here to head to New Mexico. Petrified Forest is out this direction. We're not stopping there. We filmed all this last year. We're just driving through. Look at that old steakhouse. Good old Holbrook. Old town. Right, we're going to follow this down to St. John's. We're not going to Show Low. We're going to miss Show Low. We're going to actually cut through Springerville. Alright. Oh, caught a train. Stop St. John's. So far, blue sky. Alright, here's the community. Look at that. Trees are getting a little green on them. They actually have greenery here. Desert's been so darn dry. St. John's, don't know much about it. Driven through here about, what, 3 times now? Pretty low town. Probably a lot of farming and stuff out here. Ranching. We're up in elevation too. This is snow country up here. Here's a little gas station up here. I've stopped, got fuel. But see those clouds way off in the distance? That's where we're heading. Long range forecast did not look good at all. Oh well. Deal with that when we get there. Hey, they got a dollar store. All small towns got dollar stores. Alright, we're going to stay on 180 here, cruise through town. So this right here is the precursor to the summer series. I'm trying to come up with a name for the summer series too. for travel. But we're not coming back to Arizona for a long time. Like all summer. This is it. Took care of everything I needed to. Look at the old brick buildings there. This is, yeah, I'd say old. All right, staying on 180. Next stop will be Springerville, which is down close to Show Low, and all that's around 6,000 foot in elevation. If you ever get a chance, make this drive. It's absolutely beautiful driving out through here, especially in the summer. A lot cooler. Alright, here's Springerville. We're getting really close to the New Mexico border. I think we're less than 15 miles. Another old historic town. All these towns in Arizona out here just go way, way back. You can see the old buildings, they haven't changed. It's been refaced, redone. Bar and grill there. We're going to stay on 180. Our famous Yuck Donald's. Not too much traffic. Those clouds are getting a little bigger. We're getting closer to New Mexico. Old furniture store all closed down. I love that. This is small town USA right here. All these little towns are small towns. We're going to see a ton of this spring and summer. I keep getting asked a lot too, where are we going this summer? I really don't know. I mean, you know, some of these states, that virus is still floating. There's restrictions there and none at another, you know, and with museums, I look online, like in New Mexico, a lot of that's still shut down. But we'll see what we can find on our way through there. But we're going to take the southern route through New Mexico. Should be kind of cool. I seen a sign, New Mexico, 13 miles. Okay, we're on Highway 60 and 180. Look at them rocks. Oof. Imagine being there. I remember this stretch. We drove back the other direction last summer, coming back from Oklahoma. All right, we're getting closer, and those clouds are getting darker. I keep saying that because we're going to hope we might hit snow. All right. Here it is. Okay, well, this is the beginning of our spring and summer journey right here. We are leaving Arizona, and we are not coming back for quite a few months. So you guys ready for this? Say yes. Okay. I hear it. Okay, here we go. Yes. We're out of here. So long, Arizona. We'll see you later this summer and fall. Here we go. We're officially in New Mexico. Let's look in the mirror. Adios, 120-degree weather. Oh boy, I don't know. Been thinking about this for a lot of months. Here we are. We're going. But you know what's right up the road? We gotta stop. I don't care what the weather is, and it's not too far. You'll see. It's amazing how the terrain changes from state to state. This really opens up. Look how far you can see. You can just see forever here. Beautiful. And thanks to Arlen up in North Dakota. Thank you, Arlen, for the idea. We now have a compass. We're heading east. I'll have to get better at filming it. But thank you, Arlen, for the idea. We got a compass now. So we got a compass cam. Gonna tell us where we're going. Or where we're lost. Alright, right up the road. There should be a big old cell tower, and we are gonna stop. Should be a little campground up here too. Probably spend the night. See that cell tower? Thing is huge. We're getting close to the Continental Divide too. We're getting way up there. But here's a little community. We stopped here last year, and it goes by the name of Pietown, where you can get homemade pies. And guess what? We're gonna stop and get one. Right there still. Oh wow, look at all the cars. Place is packed. It's called the Gathering Place. Well, let's check it out. Plus I got to get a pie. They better have some left, I hope. It is cold and windy here. Just got out of the van. It's frigid. This is the Gathering Place, little cafe. They bake hundreds of pies a day. They got a little gift shop. All kinds of cool stuff. Homemade blueberry pie. That's dinner. And the journey is just starting. Snow. Talk soon.